So, do you guys remember all those times I said something around the lines of,
if we can get to 50 subscribers, this little guy will be given away to one of you. Another little reminder, you can win this little guy at 50 subs. Friends know to subscribe because at 50 subscribers, we are going to be doing a giveaway of this little guy right over here.
That is right, guys. Today, we are doing the 50 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys all so much, you wonderful art sprites. We've gotten to 50. That means this little guy will be given away to one of you. I have pulled up on my computer right here. I'm going to be doing a random name picker. I don't know what it's called. I think I've only ever used it twice in my whole life. So this is new, something a little bit different. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping us reach 50. It's awesome to continue to grow our little community of art sprites, to keep inspiring each other and to keep doing awesome things. And I'm really grateful, guys. Thanks for helping us get here. Let's get to 100. And with that said, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys want to have be our 100 subscriber giveaway? Should it be art supplies? I have a lot of art supplies, and like I could do some art supplies to give away to you guys. One of my other ideas was I could have it be where if you want to choose one of the different things I've created on Art Inspiration, Weekly Art Inspiration, you could choose one of those. And like the poseable creature, if you wanted him, if you wanted any of the different things I've created in the videos. There are a few that I've given away to people, so those would be out of the picture. But for the most part, if you guys wanted one of those, would you guys rather have like a custom illustration? I think for 100 I won't be doing a custom poseable doll. I'm planning for that to be either a 200 or 300 subscriber giveaway item. We'll kind of see how we go with that. But I'm super grateful to you guys for being incredible and amazing, and I'm so glad that we can inspire each other, that we can do this really awesome thing. So, with that said, let us go to the random name generator and find out which one of you has won the little fox. So, here we go with the random name picker. We're going to see who is picked. I've put all of the names right in here. It's only showing those that are subscribed, that they show their subscriptions. So that's who is on here, but we are going to find out who has won the little fox. Ellen J, chilling with the Grays. Oh hey! Oh my gosh, that's so awesome! Okay, so Ellen J, I will be contacting you, but if you want to let me know via Instagram or messaging, just let me know your address and I'd love to send you the little fox. That's so awesome. And guys, be sure to let me know what you guys want for our next giveaway. If we want to do like art supplies, or if you want to do one of the things I've created during Weekly Art Inspirations, or if you want a custom commission, comment down below with what you guys would like to see next. But I want to say thank you so much again for helping our channel get to 50, for having all of our little art sprites. Let's keep inspiring, keep staying amazing, and just keep being awesome, guys. Have a great day, and just remember, you are amazing, guys. Until the next video, goodbye.